What's going on, YouTube? Jerry's All American Carpet Cleaning here again with another video for your viewing pleasure, and we've got two good ones on the books for you today. The first one, we got a call from a client who actually hired another carpet cleaning company to come in and clean their carpets, but after they left, he said there was a terrible odor in the home, which led him to believe that the pet urine in the carpet was left untreated. So we get there, we evaluate the situation, and that is exactly what was going on. The pet urine on the carpet was definitely left untreated, and we actually have a clip where after we sprayed our pet treatment down, it starts to foam as a reaction with the urine in the carpet. And after that, we took a small trip across town where we performed one of our restorative cleanings on one room of carpet that hadn't been cleaned in over 5 years. So I think we're going to really enjoy that one. Now, if you've been enjoying these videos as much as we've enjoyed making them for you, please take the time out to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, let's get to the video.